Oh, there's something coming from right here.
Bop.
Got a Rakuten here.
I'm watching over here. Well, his body twitched. Did somebody run into him or?
Whatever was where I had pings is lit up, but I was stuck reloading the whole time it was peeked out.
Are you talking in at the end of that street?
Yeah, there's multiple things here.
Yeah.
There's one directly on that ping, one crossed.
I got something
My
with machine
commander
guns.
gunnered the one that crossed, but
Little, it's to the left corner.
I actually capped the point because I almost drove past it. So you weren't watching that angle?
No, I'm holding a rat angle.
I thought you were.
There's a lot of things on that corner.
I'm trying to pull you guys up and turn my music up.
I'm retreating because it's scary.
Hey, Gabe, you want to take this guy out? He doesn't have a cannon barrel.
I can't get to him because I got people over here.
Oh, my game didn't load my tank, and it's just a floating launcher. Okay, that's new.
Evolved armor package.
Can't pen the armor if there is no armor.
That was an IS-3, not an IS-4.
Using the under the blanket strategies.
That's not good. That's also not good.
Oh, just a driver. What the? I was like, what happened to that guy? I was looking backwards. I was in a gunner's.
To buzz you, and he ripped his wing off. I think he hit you.
I didn't
Hey.
feel it if he did. Because I'm perfectly fine.
Ah!
What the f- Nick, that was good. Okay, guys. Okay, let's calm down here, boys. Let's calm down here. All right, we're not the Blue Angels. Okay.
We can go see.
I have already hurt 2 aircraft apparently, and I don't even know how.
Well, I went to go tear off or tear part of your engine.
course.
Yeah, my
Of
engine
course
tore
you
your
should've done
wing.
It's the one building.
He had no wings. He
You
apparently.
see your engine's perfectly fine?
Yeah, I didn't feel it. Yeah.
I see it.
Oh, DF-105.
Okay,
Gunner's
I shot
out.
through his track somehow.
His gunner's out. He's hiding behind that building. You could probably see him from a straight-on angle, but not from up here.
Oh, he's moving.
I got his engine. He's stuck over here. Oh, there's a Lorraine 40 or a Samoa, one of the two sitting back there. That house is
We're all
coming
trying to
down.
find this guy.
He's losing cover. I hit his track. If you shoot this ping, if you shoot that ping, you'll hit him.
I'm not there.
All right, I got it. Yeah, that RD was super nice. It brought down his building.
There's something right here.
Yeah, some over here.
Yeah.
If you keep him occupied, I might be able to break through the rocks.
He's backing up.
Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can get through the rocks here.
Right there. You just shot right over top of me. Never tried Taco Bell chicken fillet, Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, just McDonald's, Burger King, and Subway. Interesting. No. That is the quickest dishes I've ever seen somebody do.
Oh, he's already back.
He's right here.
I didn't
Still?
hear him. All right,
I'm
Leopard,
here.
Leopard and Lorraine right here next to me.
Maybe our T-55 can get the Samoa? Yep.
Leopard's down. Samo's still there.
Oh, I don't know where the Samoa
Oh.
is. Oh.
Also a
There's something.
martyr.
Critical on this guy. Gunner. Missile.
I
missed.
completely bounced.
Samoa's right here.
Engine
Pushing.
transmission on him. I'm gonna go
I
back
need to
to
reload.
see if I can assist with the Samoa.
Got him.
He's down. Good. All right, there's a martyr right over here. He's completely mobile.
This guy? He doesn't have a gunner.
No, his gunner's back, I think.
No, I killed his gunner.
Yeah, it's back.
How?
I don't
He's-
know.
I don't think he's coming back now.
Yeah, no, not anymore. But he shot my face and detonated my smoke on my vehicle.
Prop plane. Weird.
So, really?
I'm gonna try and use this tiny house as cover in a 103.
M103 and cover do not go well together.
No. Unless it's a rock.
Notoriously known for being immune to swing fighters. Why did you
Holy-
go here? This isn't even where the point is.
No, but this is where you win. Hey, I'm missing an engine.
From where?
I killed it. He shot a missile.
Don't need
I shot a
engines.
snapshot. He lost. I won.
I am your engine now.
Engine. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Just got jump scared by our teammate. Teammate's gone.
Guess there was a reason to be jump scared.
Problem.
I don't know where the thing that took him is.
That's why I said that's the problem.
I think it's over there. Yeah, that would make sense.
Yep. The moment I look away, 3 things come around the corner.
3.
Yeah, just an AA and object 375. and something. Could be wrong in calling it a 375. Whatever killed
I think
me.
it's a 435.
435. I'm not list executing.
Okay, that is bull. Oh. That's what I get for bullying.
He decided to just machine gun the wall that I was behind, so he found out where I was pretty quickly. Sadly, he's not very smart on his behalf.
Don't worry, dear. Help is on the way.
Yeah, I just watched her round here, like I said.
You know, every time I push with you, Gabe, I'm the first one to die.
I did not say follow me.
I know.
That's why I don't push with them. So I'm
About to be something right here. There's a lot of gunfire.
There's a martyr pushing me.
Oh. No, it's not.
Thank you.
Oh. His yellow barreled.
Yeah, so fun
Right
fact.
behind
I
the dead
can't-
body.
Yeah, I can't pen him.
Comes out towards the waterfront, it's dead. So, occasion that would go this way, though. If it's not.
I just
Oh!
killed something with my.
I killed it.
I thought you said you couldn't pen it.
I thought I couldn't. And then I found the cupola. On the hill up there. Jesus! What the fuck? What's wrong with you?
A lot.
Yeah,
Just
that's
now
true.
asking